how to book budget flights on HopeGoo and save big. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can save a bunch of money on HopeGoo and book your flights. So let's get into it. So before I begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. It'll take you to the website. Along with that, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your flights, on your bookings, and save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. Now, this is how it works. You can go ahead and register yourself by using your email address or one of those socials, or using the link in the description below. It totally depends on you. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. Then you can just simply come over here and just book yourself a trip. So either a round trip or a one-way trip from to your date of departure and your class, or, the class of your booking, economy, business, whatever. So you can also book some hotels and trains as well by just simply clicking on the tab, and you should be good to go. So let's go from Hong Kong to Singapore, all right? And click on search. I'll leave the economy and the date as it is. Then it's going to go ahead and search and find all of the flights that are meeting my requirements, and we should be good to go. So here you can see we got a bunch of different options. Royal Brunei Airlines, that's available for 172, which is pretty cool. There's other ones as well, like Cathay Pacific, Singapore Airlines, Cathay Pacific. We got China Airlines and Vietnam Airlines as well. So you can go ahead and select whichever one you want, and then you should be good to go. Then just simply click on the book button, and it'll take you to this section right here. And here you can just simply go ahead and add in every detail of your passengers. And then over here you can go ahead and select which type of seats you want: window seat, aisle seat. You can go with this one over here, and then here you can add your email address, and then here you can add your coupon codes that you can find in the description below. So make sure you check that out, and once you've added that, you should be good to go. Then you can go ahead and pay the flight, and there you go. That's how you can book a budget flight on HopeGoo. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.